Hello, everyone, and welcome to our email marketing series. Today, we're going to be going over email marketing best practices for automation, okay? So we're going to be going over first, mind your from name and your email. So this would be when someone opens your email. What's the name they're going to see? What's the email they're going to see as far as where to respond to? Then we're going to teach you how to choose an effective subject line. Okay, we're going to teach how to use the pre-header text, how to keep it focused, and then how to be mobile optimized because majority of your customers are going to be using their mobile device. So mind your from name and email. The name in the from field of the email is what shows up in inboxes. So you want to use something that's familiar to subscribers, okay? In many cases, you'll want to use your brand or company name like the brands you see here. So you see Big Lots and Taylor, Netgear, ModCloth. So just have it show your actual company name, all right? Unless you have a very strong personal element like, say, Martha Stewart, Oprah, then you can use the actual name, okay? As far as the actual email address, you want to make yourself very accessible. So don't have, no reply at your, whatever.com, okay? Have it as like, your name at yourcompany.com or promotions at yourcompany.com, or we'd like to use support at yourcompany.com. So make sure that you have that email set up in Shopify, okay? Choosing an effective subject line. This is very important. The subject line is the first impression and will ultimately determine whether your emails are opened or not. So you want to have a very enticing subject line. Brainstorm different subject lines for every email you send. Test 2 or 3 subject lines for every email. You can do split testing. Over time, you're going to see what works and what doesn't. And then you can apply the learnings to increase the effectiveness of your email automation campaigns. Here are some best practices. Avoid sales and other overused words. They don't always trigger spam filters, but many subscribers are going to ignore them, okay? So avoid sales. Personalize whenever possible. So include their name in the subject line or pre-header text. Send personalized offers based on their preferences. Variety is the spice of life, baby. Don't reuse the same subject lines or even similar subject lines, okay? Use variety. Keep it brief. Most people scan their inboxes, so make it easy on them. Use 50 characters or less, okay? Very short and sweet. Don't go overboard with promotion. Avoid hype. No one likes hype, right? All caps, exclamation marks, right? Sell the benefits, but be honest and straightforward about it, all right? So avoid caps and hype. Don't mislead your audience. If your email contains a coupon code for 10% discount, don't try to trick them into opening the email by saying something like dinner, ? Like, really? I don't know anyone who would do that, but yeah, just don't do that. If possible, guys, include some urgency, all right? So use pre-header text. What is that? So after the from name and subject line, recipients see the pre-header text. Often this is the first line of the email or the standard view email in browser, but you actually have the ability to customize it. So don't leave it as view email in browser. No one's going to ever select that. You want the pre-header text to continue the tone in the subject line and maintain the excitement so that people open your email automation. So whatever your subject line is, then you can continue on that in the pre-header, okay? Keep it focused. Okay, we talked about keeping it very focused. Okay, once someone's opened your email, you've won half the battle. Trust me, it's a battle just getting them to open it. Once they open it, boom. Now you want to encourage click-through. People clicking on shop now, making sure that they go and take action. So make the next course of action very simple. Give them one main offer. One main offer, that's it. So if you have multiple offers, make it clear which one is the priority with your design hierarchy. Remember mobile. So more than half of people open email on smartphones, right? iPhone, Android, whatever. So it's very important to optimize your emails for mobile devices. So many email service providers automatically do this, but it's very important to test across devices to maintain a positive, consistent experience. So here's what you do. You send a test email and then open it on your cell phone. See what it looks like. And if it's off, you want to make sure that you change it so that it's optimized for mobile, because that's where people are going to be using. Okay. Thank you guys for coming on and learning about email marketing. I encourage you guys to go through this lesson again. You're not going to remember it all. Go through the different examples and implement it now in your business, okay? Once you start getting sales, guys, you got to have this. Once you're collecting emails, go for the emails. It's traffic that you own. And so this is an asset, okay? People will spend lots of money for email lists, okay? And so we went over every possible idea to not only create a massive email list, getting sales, but also to make it an engaged email list that hits the inbox and consistently produce sales. This is a very, very important aspect of e-commerce, guys. So make sure that you go through it again. And if you have any questions about the best email marketing platforms, we have a few. We'll go ahead and leave a link for them, and you can also go into the app Goldmine and see the apps that we use, guys. So thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. See you on the next episode.